Good evening to you all. I am Lopa Mudra, basically from Odisha, from Bhubaneswar. So I have participated in this Fevina cooking contest. So today I am going to prepare a very special recipe from Odisha to represent. So kindly do watch my video, like, share, and tell your friends to like and share as well. Thank you so much in advance. Appreciate. So today I am going to make mitha kanika and chicken kasa. So I will explain in two sentence what is mitha kanika and chicken kasa. So basically mitha kanika is mild, sweet, fragrant rice flavored with some whole spices and clarified butter, loaded with cashew nut and raisin, and is colored with turmeric powder. And chicken kasa is a very popular chicken dish in Odisha. Basically, chicken marinated in basic seasoning. Kasa means slowly and patiently roasting the masala really well till the oil oozes out from the masala. So stay tuned to know how I am going to make this recipe, this stew recipe. Thank you so much in advance. Have a good evening all. Thank you. So here I am going to marinate the chicken. So at first we need to put this curd for the marination. 1 tablespoon curd, 1 tsp turmeric powder, 1 tsp salt, 1 tablespoon chili powder as per you want. If you like to eat little bit spicy, you can put more. And this is mustard oil. I am using mustard oil into the chicken, so the taste will be so great. So now mix it up nicely and keep it aside for 45 minutes to 1 hour, so it will be tender and juicy. And you can keep in refrigerator as well. After mixing, this will look like something like this. So you just do check and keep it in refrigerator. Cover it up. So you will be preparing now rice, mitha kanika. I will show you how to make it. You can use Sona Masuri rice as well, and also you can use basmati rice for this recipe also. So first you need to clean it nicely, and then you just have to soak it for 15 to 20 minutes like this. So heat the pressure cooker, then put all the ghee, 1 tablespoon ghee into this cooker. Now fry these all dry fruits, raisin and cashew nut. You can take anything, even whatever you want to put, anything like cranberries, dry cranberry, dry blueberry as well. Fry it until it become golden brown. Now it's already done, so I am taking out. Now put the bay leaf, garam masala. Check the garam masala. Cinnamon stick, star anise, mace, cardamom, clove, and 3-4 peppercorn. Mix it. Now put this turmeric powder into the cooker and little bit salt. Mix it properly. Now put the rice. So now mix it up.
this. Also you can put this time sugar into it, 1 tablespoon sugar. If you don't want to put sugar also, that also fine, but as it is meetha khane ka, so you have to put sugar into it. You can put saffron as well. So like this you cook until this water soaks. Then you put the water. As I took 1 cup of rice, so I will be measuring 2 cup of water into this pressure cooker, and I just will be. So check, I have put the water as much I want to cook this rice. So I will cover it up with the cooker lid just like this, and it need to give 2 whistles around, so your rice will be done then. So now we will be preparing for chicken. So this is all masala we are going to paste. Garlic, ginger, whole red chili, as much you want, as much as you want. I have taken here 3, 1 small onion, 1 tsp jeera, cumin. I love the fragrance of whole garam masala, so I am putting a single clove, 2 cardamom and a cinnamon stick. So we are going to make a paste out of this with little bit of water. So here I will first make a garam masala powder, Odia style. So first I need to dry roast these all ingredients. So check once what all here. Bay leaf, little bit half tsp cumin, 2 cardamom, a small piece of cinnamon stick, 1 clove. So just dry roast it, and then in a mortar and pestle just smash it, coarse it. Now we will be putting 2 tablespoons of mustard oil into the pan. Once it become heat, put garam masala, whole garam masala into the pan, 1 dry red chili, 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, half tsp cumin seeds, 1 big cardamom, 1 small cardamom, 1 clove. Now put 1 onion slice or chop. Mix it until it become golden brown. Onion becomes soft now and become golden brown as well. Look the onion, how beautiful it is looking. Now we have to put the paste, masala paste, which we have prepared. This is how it will look. Look at this. Put all the masalas, mix it. Now we will put tomatoes along with powdered masala into the gravy. So here I have put tomatoes and chili powder. Chili powder, if you want to skip, you can skip it, as we have already put whole red chilies into the curry, so you can skip it. 1 tsp turmeric powder. Here I have taken cumin powder, coriander powder, and this is chicken masala. So this is all 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, coriander powder and chicken masala. Now mix it. Now we will be putting salt. So keep in your mind, we have already put salt into the marinated chicken. So for now you just adjust the salt, and later we can put the salt as much you want. Put little bit water into it. Cook this masala until the oil oozes out from the masala. Cover it and cook it. At this stage of masala, put 1 tablespoon of curd if you wish to. I love to put the curd, so this tastes best when you put 1 tablespoon curd in any masala, in any masalas. So the taste always improve. Mix it, then again cover it. At this stage of masala, you can put the chicken and cook along with the masala. So I am putting the chicken. Mix it nicely. Now see the consistency, how beautiful it is looking. Mix it nicely. If you want, put a little bit of water. Now I will be not putting any water from chicken. From chicken only the water will come, and I will cook along with the water. I'll be not putting extra water. Now see how beautifully it's cooked, and a little more I need to cook as the water will ooze out once. It's almost done, just I need to cook for 5 to 10 minutes more. Meanwhile, I will be preparing my kachumbar. So for kachumbar, I will show you what. So this is how I am making my kachumbar. So this is fine chopped cucumber, fine chopped tomato, fine chopped green chili, fine chopped onion, and little bit of coriander. So I will start plating now. At this stage we will put our homemade garam masala, which I have prepared at first. So I will be putting all. Look how beautifully our chicken looks. It's just done now. I will start plating now. So in this kachumbar, I have put a pinch of salt, a pinch of black salt, a pinch of red chili powder, squeezed lemon juice, like 1/4 lemon, a ball size lemon juice. I mean a small lemon juice, not fully, just 1/4. Now mix it nicely. So this is how our plate looks. You can check it closely how beautifully it looks.